Hey guys, if you want to create a poll on Messenger, then you have come to the right video. So, if you want to create a poll on Messenger, open Messenger and then you have to create a group. And if you don't have a group, you can't send a poll to an individual person. So, the first step is to create a group, and if you already have a group, then keep moving forward. I will just click on this group I have recently created for this cause, and on the bottom left corner of the screen you can see this plus sign. Click on this plus and then move on to the second option, poll. You can ask the poll question like, what is your favorite sports? And I will add options: cricket, badminton, hockey, football, and you can add as many options as you want and click on create poll. Wait for it to be loaded. And here you can see the poll has been sent to the group. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and share the